I am at the Dennis Dargin residence to do a repair attempt on the back slope. This slope right here. Got some solar, got a skylight, some pipe jacks, T-tops. So this back slope is where I'm doing the repair attempt. This is my work area. I'm gonna remove this shingle right here and put it right back without trying to disturb the shingle above it. I'm gonna start by making sure the shingle that I'm removing isn't adhered to the shingle below it. I'm gonna make sure the one above it isn't adhered to the one I'm removing. All right, now I'm gonna take this roofing snake and I'm gonna remove the wind damaged shingle from the decking. Okay, got the shingle out. Now I'm gonna put it right back in where it was and I'm gonna fasten it to the decking. I'm gonna do so using my roofing snake and an 1.25" roofing nail. So I use the roofing snake so I don't have to lift the shingle higher than necessary in order to get a decent nail strike. Okay, so in the process, the shingle's back down, secure. So in the process of this repair attempt, this is the shingle I removed and put back. If you take a look, you can see a chipped edge here from the roofing snake. We also have a chipped edge here, but we also have a delaminated tooth here and a delaminated tooth here. The reason why that's an issue in repairability is because now this shingle will come apart into two pieces down the road, deeming this roof irreparable.